Hello, this is Lynn McNamee with Lone Armadillo Marketing. Wanted to continue on the subject of personas. So, flipping the conversation around, you develop different personas, you have those defined, and then develop content and customize the content per persona. So, you've done this on the back end, build your website with landing pages that will specifically allow people to find and download, have call to action buttons throughout the website, on your social media, etc., that are specific to the copy variation that you have. So, for example, continuing with the home improvement scenario of tree fall in your house, download this white paper on how to get your situation resolved quickly and dealing with insurance. Or get a bonus. Have you considered doing a remodel and we can build an addition on your house? Here are the 15 things to look for. Things like that. So instead of already having the persona defined, you can actually be identifying the persona based on the copy variation that someone downloads. So when you're doing this, though, you do need to have the infrastructure in the back end to make sure that you are properly assigning these. Now, people may end up coming across both. They're really interested in your company, and they download both versions. And so you do have to still look at your content and hopefully have a whole content nurturing process, a number of different types of content, and then look and see what people are reading, downloading. If there's a pattern, you can be suggesting the path, and that's the best practice. But you want to be looking at that data, not just collecting the data. And you need a tool probably like HubSpot that will help you truly do that. So keep thinking about that. We'd love to help you and keep answering questions. So send them to Lynn at lonearmadillo.com. Thanks.